This specialized 300-watt power supply unit is designed specifically for Acer Veriton computers and other compatible systems. What sets this PSU apart is its innovative cooling design. The strategically positioned 60mm fan works in conjunction with an integrated air duct to provide superior hard drive cooling compared to standard power supply units. This PSU comes with the following connectors: one standard 24-pin ATX connector for broad compatibility, 3 SATA power connectors for modern drives, 1 legacy floppy drive connector, 1 12 volts 4-pin P4 connector for CPU power. Additional connectors are available upon request. This rare and efficient power solution combines reliable performance with enhanced thermal management, making it ideal for systems requiring optimal drive cooling.